Namaskarams, hello and welcome to Raga. Today's episode is the 18th. Thanks to all of you who have reached out to me and Ramachandra Anna after viewing the episodes. Many have pointed out that they like the snippets and the facts that I share in each episode. We will work harder to make it more interesting. Thanks. Today's Raga can be described as a hypnotizing melody, a raga which is serene, gentle, soulful, enchanting, meditative, and pleasing. So many adjectives. That was the Hindolam Tillana composed by Dr. M. Balamurali Krishna and sung by. The Hindustani equivalent of Hindolam is Malkauns. This raga is associated with Vasant Ritu, spring, which is full of freshness and colors, which brings forth the feelings of well-being. It can be aptly said that Hindolam conveys the mood of Shringara primarily. Let us go into Anna's Hindolam today.
Namaskaram. Welcome to Raga series. This week we are presenting Raga Hindolam. Raga Hindolam is a Janiraga of 20th Malakarta Raga Nadabhairavi. Traditionally, it was considered as a Janiraga of 8th Malakarta Raga Hanumatodi. But taking into consideration of the frequencies of the swaras of this raga, later on it was generally accepted as a Janiraga of 20th Malakarta Raga Nadabhairavi. The equivalent Hindustani raga is Malkons. About the Kridis in this raga, there are 4 or 5 Tanavarnams composed by many contemporary Vagayakaras. There is a Adatala Varnam composed by Sri Harikeshanellur Muttaya Bhagavatar. There are 2 Padavarnams which are performed in Bharatanatyam. One is composed by Tanjavur Shankarayar. And the other one is the most beautiful Padavarnam composed by legend Dr. Padma Subramaniam. The theoretical perfection of this Padavarnam composed by Dr. Padma Subramaniam is to be specially mentioned. The Varnam starts with Mayalaginal, Mangai, and the Dvayakshara Prasam used in the Anubalavi and the Sarvalaghu Swaraprastaram in the 3rd Charanasaram, and the tempo of the Varnam up to Yadukadasaram and the Charanam are to be specially mentioned. My humble pranams to Dr. Padma Subramaniam. Other Kridis in this raga, Tyagaraja Swamigal has composed 2-3 Kridis, and the most famous Kridi is Samaja Varagamana, which everybody knows. Sadhudre sarasabhyapala kaladida vichata Samaja Varagamana sadhu. Then Manasuloli Marmamulu. Govardhana Giridhari. Dikshidhar has also composed 2-3 Kridis in this raga. Govardhana Girisham Smarami. Govardhana Girisham Smarami Anisham Gopikari Mano Neerajakshi Kamakshi. Sikure Tripure Neerajakshi Kamakshi Saraswati Vidhi Yuvadi. Sri Saraswati Vidhi Yuvadi Sauragadumam Sri Saraswati. Swadhitinal Maharaja has also composed a Kriti, Padmanabha Pahi. Padmanabha Pahi Vipavasare Gunavasana Mysore Vasudevacharya has composed a very famous Kriti, Mamavadu Sri Saraswati. Mamavadu Sri Saraswati Kamadodi Nivasi Mamavadu Sri Saraswati. Papanasham Shivan has also composed some famous Kritis in this raga. One is Ma Ramanan. Then நம்பிக்கெட்டவர் எவரையா?
உமை நம்பி கெட்டவர் எவரையா? உமை நாயகனை திருமயிலையின் இறைவனை நம்பி கெட்டவர்.
Then there is a kriti Samagana Lolane.
Lolane Sada Shiva Shankarane Daya Karane Jaya Samagana Lolane.
Annamacharya has also composed 2-3 kritis in this raga. Devadevam Bhaje.
Avanasuravari Rana Pungavam Ramam Devadevam Bhaje.
Then Garuda Gamana.
Garuda Gamana Garuda Dwaja Narahari Namo.
Arunachala Kavi has also composed a kriti Ramanakku Mannan Mudi. These are the most popular kritis in Carnatic music which are sung in kacheris. About the film songs, there are about 100 film songs in Malayalam itself. Right from 1950, many composers are using this raga for film songs. And the old one is in the movie Ladies Hostel, which was directed in 1973.
Manasa Veenai Madanan Chindiya Maayigaraga Marandathin Madhuramoga.
Kavya Pustakamallo.
Kavya Pustakamallo Jeevitam Oru Kavya Pustakamallo Jeevitam.
Then Urangade in the movie Gauri Shankaram.
Urangade Ravurangi Njan Urangade.
Then Venchandralekha.
Venchandralekha Vipralambha Sringara Nrittamada.
These are the popular movie songs, Malayalam movie songs composed in Raga Hindolam. Raga Hindolam is sung in kacheris as a sub-main or main raga, which is a very pleasant raga, which is a morning raga. Enjoy Raga Hindolam. Thank you very much. Namaskaram.
What a Hindolam, and thanks Anna. From this episode, I'm going to linger on my favorite songs in Raga a little longer than usual, and I hope you wouldn't mind the extra time. Let me start with a beauty from 1955, the song Yogamade Yudilam from the movie Vipranarayana, sung by A.M. Raja, music by S. Rajeshwara Rao. The movie is based on the life of Tondaradi Pudiyalvar, also called Vipranarayanar, who was a Tamil Vaishnava saint. Pure, unadulterated Hindolam for you. Another beautiful 1955 song, the song Rajasekara Enmel, the movie Anarkali, sung by Ghantasala and Jikki, music by Adi Narayana Rao. I will tell you more about him in the next song, about Adi Narayana Rao. In 1957, Manalane Mangayin Bhagyam. The movie was made in 3 languages, Tamil, Telugu and Hindi, and was a blockbuster hit across all 3. This song, Adaikade, across all 3 languages was set to Hindolam, and while in Tamil and Telugu, P. Sushila sung the song, Lata Mangeshkar did the Hindi version. when asked to select her 25 best renditions during the Silver Jubilee year of her career, Lata Mangeshkar picked Mujhe Na Bula, the equivalent of Araikade in Hindi. The music director was P. Adinarayana Rao, who was a child prodigy. Adinarayana Rao started his film career at the age of 6. He studied classical music, and by age 12 he played many musical instruments and had shown talent in music as a composer and on stage as a playwright. Why I tell you this? The giants in the movies of those times were all-rounders and immersed themselves into whatever they were doing and were hell-bent on delivering excellence. Adinarayan Rao married Anjali Devi, who starred in the movie. About the director Vedantam Raghavaiah, beyond directing, he was a choreographer, a method actor, a Kuchipudi exponent, a musician, and a producer known for his works in Telugu cinema, Telugu theatre, and Tamil cinema. These folks simply mastered the art of squeezing all the juice out of life. Okay, Araikade, sung by P. Sushila from the movie Manarane Mangayan Bhagyam.
Araikade, Ninaikade, Avaidhanile Ennaiye Raja, Aruyire Marave. Araikade.
In 1960, you will be surprised that the same director music composer team as in the earlier song, Vedantam Raghavaiah and Adinarayana Rao, gave a brilliant Hindolam in the movie Adutha Veettu Pen. The story of Adutha Veettu Pen is a simple man called Mannare, wants to impress a woman he loves by singing, but since he cannot, his friend, a singer, sings in secret while Mannaru merely lip syncs and wins the woman's love. T.R. Ramachandran as Mannare and Thangavelu as the singer are a riot in this song. Sirgadi Govindarajan and Tiruchi Loganathan simply excel with this Hindolam. In 1961, the award-winning movie Kumudam, K.V. Mahadevan has composed this popular song in the movie Ennai Vittu Odi Poga Mudiyama, sung by Sirgadi Govindarajan and P. Sushila. The lyrics were written by A. Marudakasi. Marudakasi is a foremost lyricist who started writing lyrics that could be understood by the common man. He had the ability to write lyrics to an already set tune, to a preset tune. That's the most difficult thing. He encouraged young people who were looking for a career in Tamil films. Lyricist Vali, singer T.M. Soundararajan, lyricist Pattukotte Kalyanasundaram were all recommended by him. About the quality of lyrics, let us see the song Ennai Vittu Odi Poga Mudiyama. From this episode, I am trying to, talk a little about the lyrics also, to just let the feel soak in. In Ennai Vittu Odi Poga Mudiyama, the lyrics are கண்ணுக்குள்ளே புகுந்து கதைகள் சொன்ன பின்னே எண்ணத்திலே நிறைந்து அதில் இடம் பிடித்த பின்னே எந்தன் அன்னை தந்தை சம்மதித்த பின்னே அன்பின் தன்மையை அறிந்து கொண்ட பின்னே. There was a lot of ஒழுக்கம் even in the lyrics then. In 1964, the Hindu mythological film produced and directed by B.R. Pantulu, Karnan. What a movie! For the visuals and the music lovers, this one will leave you with a lasting impact. Music by the great pair Vishwanathan Ramamurthy, the intoxicating lyrics by Kannadasan, and about the visuals in this movie, the war sequences were filmed in Kurukshetra, which featured several soldiers from the Indian Army, the actual Indian Army. Yeah. It was considered a milestone in Tamil cinema as it brought together the then leading actors of South Indian cinema, Sivaji Ganesan and Rama Rao. The film was also partly responsible for a resurgence in Hindu Purana films in the industry. Movies like Karnan can never be remade. Karna is a tragic hero in Mahabharata, a flawed good man known for his generosity. Let us look at these Kannadasan's lines when he describes the great Karna. Malai kudukkum kodayumoru 2 மாதம், வயல் கொடுக்கும் கொடையுமொரு 3 மாதம், பசு வழங்கும் கொடையுமொரு 4 மாதம், பார்த்திபனாம் கர்ணனுக்கோ 4 மாதம். The rain delivers bounty for 2 months, the field for 3, the cow for 4, but Parthiban or Karnan delivers bounty every day. How can you not love Tamil?
மழை கொடுக்கும் கொடையும் ஒரு 2 மாதம், வயல் கொடுக்கும் கொடையும் ஒரு 3 மாதம், பசு வழங்கும் கொடையும் ஒரு 4 மாதம், பார்த்திபனா கர்ணனுக்கோ 4 மாதம், பார்த்திபனா.
In 1965, my personal favorite, Jagam Pugalum Punya Kadai, from the movie Lavakusha. The two giants, P. Leela and P. Sushila, sang the song, music by Ghantasala and K.V. Mahadevan. Let me play the Hindolam from this beautiful Ragamalika.
ஜகம் புகழும் புண்ணிய கதை ராமனின் கதையே, உங்கள் செவி குளிர பாடிடுவோம் கேளுங்கள் இதையே. ஜகம் புகழும் புண்ணிய கதை ராமனின் கதையே.
In 1966, the movie which went to be a commercial hit, Motar Sundaram Pillai, starring Sivaji Ganesan, Ravichandran, Shivakumar, Major Sundar Rajan, Nagesh, Kanchana, Saukar Janaki, Pandaribai, Jayalalitha and Manimala. What a cast! In this song on screen are Manimala and Saukar Janaki. About Saukar Janaki, a brilliant actor, and currently she is the only actor with the longest career span. This song Maname Muruganin, sung by Sulamangalam Jayalakshmi and music by M.S. Vishwanathan, is a beautiful Hindolam. Lyrics by Kottamangalam Subbu. If you know Tamil, then the experience of these lyrics are very deep. Maname Muruganin Mailvaganam, என் மாந்தளிர் மேனியே குகன் ஆலயம், என் குரலே செந்தூரின் கோயில் மணி, அதில் குகனே ஷண்முகனே என்றொலிக்கும் இனி. In our Sanatana Dharma, this is the concept of Tattvamasi. You exist in a state of bliss beyond all duality. My namaskarams to Kottamangalam Subbu, Sulamangalam Rajalakshmi and M.S. Vishwanathan. In 1967, from the movie Kandan Karunai, K.V. Mahadevan music, the evergreen Kannadasan song Arubadai Veedu Konda. Let's go to the part where Sirgadi Govindarajan sings the Vendiya Maambalathai.
வேண்டிய மாம்பழத்தை கணபதிக்கு அந்த வெள்ளி பனித்தலையர் கொடுத்ததற்கு வேண்டிய மாம்பழத்தை கணபதிக்கு.
In 1970, the song Ramanukku Mannan Mudi Tharithale. The movie Pattu Maada Bandham, sung by P. Bhanumati, music Shankar Ganesh. Bhanumati Amma, besides being a multilingual film actress, was a director, a music director, a singer, a producer, book writer, a lyricist. She had lots of hats. A Sahitya Academy Award winner, she was a member of the Lalit Kala Academy and the Sahitya Academy. She served as a director and principal of the Tamil Nadu Government Music College. Salute. Let's listen to the Arunachala Kavirayar song.
ராமனுக்கு மன்னன் முடி தரித்தாலே நன்மையுண்டொரு காலே. ராமனுக்கு மன்னன் முடி தரித்தாலே.
In 1982, I checked to find that Sri Kunnakudi Vaidyanathan has composed music for nearly 20 movies. I love some of the songs in Agathiyar, Rajaraja Sodan and Thodi Ragam. In 1982, he had composed this beautiful song in Hindolam, Malaro Nilavo. This song was broadcast in Radio Ceylon frequently. The movie Ragabandhangal and sung by P. Jayachandran. What a blessed singer he is.
நீதானா அழைத்ததும் நீதானா நெடுநாளாய் நினைத்ததும் இதைத்தானா என் தேவி உனக்கிது சரிதானா என் தேவி உனக்கிது சரிதானா.
In 1983, the film listed amongst CNN IBN's list of 100 greatest Indian films of all time, Salangai Oli. The director Shri K. Vishwanath has the title Kala Tapasvi, rightly so. His films could be watched by the entire family as they were devoid of obscenity. In a film career spanning 60 years, Shri K. Vishwanath has directed 53 feature films in a variety of genres, including films based on performing arts, visual arts and aesthetics. I was completely in awe at his work in Salangai Oli. I want to recall just one scene. I'm sure everyone will remember the scene where Kamal as Balu asks to be taken as a student of Kathak. He mimes the entire sequence to communicate his inability to pay. I was blown away at the director's ingenuity and the work of Kamal. My namaskarams to Sri K. Vishwanath. Ilayaraja outdid himself in this movie. Let me play this out of the world Hindolam song sung by S. Janaki, Om Namah Shivaya. In 1980, the movie Ilamai Kolam, story by Bhagiraj, the song Sri Devi Envarvil, my personal favorite, sung by Yesudas, Ilayaraja's music. The song was a big hit, and since I was in the college cultural group, we used to perform the song in every stage during that time. Let me give you the vibrant lines of Kannadasan. Kandaga Maniyose Ponga Tandai Thanada Thalam Konja Miruduvana Meniyodum Amudamana Jadayodum Ilaya Thogai Adagumangai Iniyaragam Padiyadi. What Osai Nayam. My pranams to Kannadasan, Isainyani and Jesudas sir.
கண்டகமணியோசை பொங்க தண்டை தனது தாளம் கொஞ்ச மிருதுவான மேனியோடும் அமுதமான ஜாடையோடும் இளைய தோகை அழகு மங்கை இனிய ராகம் பாடியாடி இரண்டு குலுங்கும் இரண்டு கோவை போன்ற இதழ்களோடும் சிறந்ததொரு விருந்து என துணை வருவது அருள் தருவது ஸ்ரீதேவி என்.
In 1981, the movie that launched the career of Karthik and Radha, the cult movie Alaigal Oivudillai, Manivannan story and Bharati Raja's direction. The lyrics to this Hindolam song, Darisanam Kidaikada, was written by Ilayaraja himself.
தரிசனம் கிடைக்காதா என்மேல் கரிசனம் கிடையாதா தேவி உன் தரிசனம் கிடைக்காதா.
In 1994, the movie May Madam, the song Margadi Puve, music by A.R. Rahman, lyricist Vairamuthu and sung by Shobha Shankar Chandrasekhar. An interesting note on this song, this was quoted by Vairamuthu in a TV interview where he says, quote, while writing the song for the movie, suddenly Rahman came out of the recording room and asked for some lyrics for a short tune that played between the BGM. He gave me the tune and I told him that one cannot fit words into such a tune. But he persisted, saying, I can if I wanted to. Of course, I was a bit irritated, but the challenge that he threw forced me into making an attempt, and I succeeded. Unquote. The piece is the beautiful Venba Paadi Varum Vandukku Sendhen Thandu Vidum Sirupookkal. I'm playing that part for you.
பாடி வரும் பண்டுக்கு செந்தேன் தந்து விடும் செம்பூக்கள் கொஞ்சம் பாட வரும் பெண்ணுக்கு சந்தம் தந்து விடும் மைனாக்கள்
Before I go any further, let me play you a super popular devotional song, and before that, let me tell you the story behind it. The Tamil poet Vali was born T.S. Rangarajan. He was born into an Iyengar family in Srirangam, the abode of Ranga. He wrote over 15,000 songs. Decades ago, his sister was in deathbed with cirrhosis of the liver. And as destiny would have it, a doctor with the name of Subramanya saved her from certain death. The poet Vali became a staunch Muruga Bhakta then and immediately composed this song, Karpanai Endralam. Very popular song, you would have all heard it. Look at these immortal lines. Nirpadum Nadapadum Ninsayalale, Ninaipadum Nigalvadum Ninsayalale, Karpadellam Undan Kanimuriyale, Kanbadellam Undan Kanviriyale. Pure Advaitam. Sometimes when you cannot reach out to that book of scriptures, songs like this are deep and enlightening. Let us hear it.
நிற்பதும் நடப்பதும் நின் செயலாலே நினைப்பதும் நிகழ்வதும் நின் செயலாலே கற்பதெல்லாம் உந்தன் கனிமொழியாலே காண்பதெல்லாம் உந்தன் கண்விழியாலே காண்பதெல்லாம்.
There is one more surprise for you. I reserved this song for the last before I play the rest. This one is from 1938. This was the legend M.S. Subbulakshmi's first movie, Seva Sadanam. The movie was directed by Sri Krishnaswamy Subramaniam, the father of the famous Bharatanatyam dancer, Sri Padma Subramaniam. I am going to tell you only this much. I cannot tell you more. You will know why. The movie advocated reformist social policies. I recommend you look up about this movie online, and I'm sure you'll be surprised how they made this movie in the conservative period around 1938. Sri Pavanasam Sivan's Ma Ramanan. There are too many songs in Hindolam in Tamil film music, and as usual, let me play you a few songs also in Hindolam across various movies, not in any particular order.
பச்சை மாமலை போல் மேனி பவளவாய் கமல செங்கண் வருவாயே உனக்கென ஓர் சரித்திரமே எழுதும் காலம் உண்டு உன்னால் முடியும் அட உன்னால் முடியும் தென்றல் தான் திங்கள் தான் நாளும் சென்றும் உன்னில்தான் என்னில்தான் காதல் ஊர்வசியோ ஆனந்தத்தேன் காற்று தாலாட்டுதே அலை பாயுதே ஓ ஜனனி என் ஸ்வரம் நீ ஓ ஜனனி நிலவே நீ வர வேண்டும் ஓ சங்கீதவானின் சந்தோஷம் பாடும் சிங்காரத்தின் குயிலே இந்த ஏகாந்த வேளையில்
கவிதை இரவு இரவு கவிதை எது நான் என தெரியவில்லை
In Raga therapy,